Financial Empire, Navigating the Economic Landscape. Introduction. Welcome to Financial Fusion. In today's video, we will explore how to navigate the complex economic landscape while building a financial empire. We'll cover strategies for economic forecasting, adapting to market changes, and leveraging economic trends to your advantage. Chapter 1. Understanding the Economic Environment. 1.1 Macro and Microeconomic Factors. Definitions and impact. 1.2 Economic Indicators: GDP, inflation, unemployment, interest rates. 1.3 Global Economic Trends: trade, geopolitics, technological advancements. 1.4 Assessing Economic Conditions: market research, data analysis. Chapter 2 Economic Forecasting and Planning. 2.1 Techniques for economic forecasting: leading indicators, econometric models. 2.2 Scenario planning: developing and analyzing different economic scenarios. 2.3 Strategic planning based on economic forecasts, adjusting business strategies. 2.4 Risk management in economic uncertainty, diversification, hedging. Chapter 3 Adapting to economic changes. 3.1 Identifying economic cycles: boom, recession, recovery, expansion. 3.2 Strategies for different economic phases: offensive and defensive approaches. 3.3 Flexibility and agility in business operations, adapting quickly to changes. 3.4 Case studies: companies thriving in different economic conditions. Chapter 4 Leveraging economic trends. 4.1 Identifying emerging trends: technological innovations, demographic shifts. 4.2 Investing in growth sectors: renewable energy, fintech, healthcare. 4.3 Capitalizing on globalization, expanding into emerging markets. 4.4 Trend analysis tools and techniques: market intelligence, predictive analytics. Chapter 5 Strategic financial management. 5.1 Financial health assessment: key financial ratios, performance metrics. 5.2 Capital allocation: prioritizing investments, managing capital expenditures. 5.3 Financial risk management: identifying and mitigating financial risks. 5.4 Financial flexibility: maintaining liquidity, access to capital. Chapter 6 Building resilience in economic downturns. 6.1 Preparing for economic downturns: contingency planning, stress testing. 6.2 Cost management strategies: reducing costs, improving efficiency. 6.3 Maintaining customer loyalty and retention, customer relationship management. 6.4 Innovation and adaptation: pivoting business models, exploring new opportunities. Chapter 7 Strategic partnerships and collaborations. 7. Importance of strategic partnerships: synergies, market access, shared resources. 7.2 Identifying and evaluating potential partners: due diligence, compatibility. 7.3 Structuring effective partnerships: terms, agreements, governance. 7.4 Managing and sustaining partnerships: communication, conflict resolution. Chapter 8 Technology and digital transformation. 8.1 Impact of technology on finance: automation, AI, big data. 8. Implementing digital transformation: strategy, planning, execution. 8.3 Leveraging fintech innovations: blockchain, cryptocurrency, digital payments. 8.4 Data-driven decision-making: analytics, business intelligence, predictive modeling. Chapter 9 Regulatory compliance and governance. 9.1 Understanding regulatory requirements: national and international regulations. 9.2 Building a compliance framework: policies, procedures, monitoring. 9.3 Ethical financial practices: transparency, accountability, integrity. 9.4 Corporate governance: board structure, roles, responsibilities. Chapter 10 Sustaining long-term success. 10.1 Continuous improvement: learning, adapting, innovating. 10.2 Building a strong organizational culture: values, leadership, employee engagement. 10.3 Long-term strategic planning: vision, goals, roadmap. 10.4 Legacy and succession planning: ensuring business continuity and growth. The Financial Empire Blueprint: strategies for market domination. Chapter 1 Analyzing the competitive landscape. 1.1 Understanding the market: market size, growth, trends. 1.2 Competitive analysis: identifying key competitors, market share, strengths, weaknesses. 1.3 SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. 1.4 Strategic positioning: differentiation, value proposition, competitive advantage. Chapter 2 Crafting a winning business model. 2.1 Innovative business models: subscription, freemium, platform-based. 2.2 Value creation and delivery: products, services, customer experience. 2.3 Revenue streams: diversification, monetization strategies. 2.4 Scalability and sustainability, growth potential, long-term viability. Chapter 3 Strategic market entry and expansion. 3.1 Identifying target markets, demographics, psychographics, market needs. 3.2 Market entry strategies, direct investment, joint ventures, franchising. 3.3 Geographic expansion, domestic versus international market selection, entry modes. 3.4 Overcoming market entry barriers, regulatory, cultural, competitive. Chapter 4 Driving innovation and growth. 4.1 Fostering a culture of innovation, leadership, incentives, collaboration. 4.2 Research and development, R&D, investing in new products and technologies. 4.3 Leveraging technology for growth, automation, AI, digital platforms. 4.4 Measuring innovation success, metrics, KPIs, continuous improvement. Chapter 5 Customer-centric strategies. 5.1 Understanding customer needs and preferences, market research, surveys, analytics. 5.2 Customer segmentation and targeting, personalization, customization. 5.3 Enhancing customer experience, service excellence, omni-channel engagement. 5.4 Building customer loyalty, loyalty programs, rewards, relationship management. Chapter 6 Strategic marketing and branding. 6.1 Developing a strong brand identity, name, logo, messaging, positioning. 6.2 Digital marketing strategies, SEO, content marketing, social media, influencer marketing. 6.3 Traditional marketing channels, advertising, public relations, events. 6.4 Measuring marketing effectiveness, ROI, conversion rates, customer acquisition costs. Chapter 7 Financial strategy and management. 7.1 Financial planning and analysis, forecasting, budgeting, financial modeling. 7.2 Capital allocation, prioritizing investments, managing resources. 7.3 Financial performance management, monitoring, reporting, benchmarking. 7.4 Funding and financing strategies, equity, debt, alternative financing. Chapter 8 Building and leading high-performance teams. 8.1 Talent acquisition and retention, recruitment, training, development. 8.2 Leadership development, skills, styles, practices. 8.3 Team dynamics and collaboration, building cohesive, high-performing teams. 8.4 Employee engagement and motivation, incentives, recognition, career growth. Chapter 9 Corporate social responsibility and sustainability. 9.1 Importance of CSR and sustainability, ethics, impact, long-term value. 9.2 Implementing CSR initiatives, programs, partnerships, community engagement. 9.3 Measuring and reporting CSR impact, metrics, transparency, accountability. 9.4 Sustainable business practices, environmental, social, governance, ESG factors. Chapter 10 Future-proofing your financial empire. 10.1 Anticipating and adapting to market changes, trends, disruptions, innovations. 10.2 Strategic foresight, scenario planning, future studies. 10.3 Continuous learning and development, knowledge management, skills enhancement. 10.4 Ensuring resilience and agility, flexibility, risk management, adaptability. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us as we unveil the Financial Empire Blueprint. By analyzing the competitive landscape, crafting innovative business models, driving growth through customer-centric strategies, and future-proofing your empire, you can achieve market domination and long-term success. Stay tuned for more expert insights and practical tips on mastering the world of finance.